what I'm thinking of.
Oh, stop spraying it on my suit!
I'm not spraying it on your shoes and they're already pink.
My suit!
Your suit's all...
If you get any more on me, your dragon is going to become gay. If you get any more on me, I'm going to make your dragon pink.
This is an ancient symbol of power, as befitting a man riding a 4-stroke 50cc motorcycle.
Yeah.
So you leave my dragon alone, otherwise your face will be pink.
I promise.
Oh, no, hang on, it already is.
I know. Look, I
honestly
find any pink.
I did not put pink on your trousers. Pink is
Oh, right, look.
Well, yes, you say that.
Look what
what's
you've
that?
done.
What's that? Did you think?
Look what you've done.
Look
You
what
did that. You
you're
put pink on my suit.
Do you think I sprayed my own knee pink?
Yes.
Okay, who's the competent one round here? Right, both stand in the middle.
No.
You face that way, I'll face that way. Spray the pink.
See, ciao. Like?
You like pink stuff?
You like to do some? Pink. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you see, he's a chef. We've got Gordon Ramsay.
Hang on, he's better at this.
I know, he hasn't got any on himself. Look at this.
It's really fluid.
You want to do this side? Yeah?
Yeah.
The local chef has popped in to help us. What?
That one again.
The local chef has popped in, mainly to stop us fight. Let's get some shots of that one.
Do that. Do the local chef say at 1 point
Not the seat, I don't think.
Definitely
Not that. Look at this. Yeah. Would you want to paint his bike? You want to have a go? You? Yes. Be nice. Wait. Now look what happened. The whole town has turned out to paint Richard Hammond's bike pink. James and I are doing everything possible to stop it. Yes. Excuse me. This camera. No. Here. Not this. This. As we can see, Vietnam's Gordon Ramsay has just turned up. Nothing we can do to stop him. He's just taking complete control with some of his staff.
You mustn't paint the inside of the wheel arch pink, because it'll be really hot. So I told you. I told him. I said, don't paint music. Why won't you listen? Please stop painting the inside of the wheel arch pink. And all the been crossed. You must stop. Stop. I just stopped.
Even the maitre d' have just been outside and frankly ruined it.
That's why I couldn't through.
Whoa! Now you see, this is nothing to do with us. This is your bicycle. Your bicycle. Okay, what? You can't just go.
Hang on, you face your own bike.
What's happened is she's got all these big plates inside and everything
But it could get out and it's going.
Go to a chef. Make sure you do it. It's Gordon Ramsay. Yeah. Gordon Ramsay's painting. Dude, because he can go in the morning. Did you do this? No, weirdly. Yeah, if we told you that it simply wouldn't believe it.
You know, he will be apocalyptically cross about
Oh, I
it.
know, but he's crossed about everything, so it doesn't really. It doesn't really.
Now let's have a go. Oh, yeah.
Sing ciao. You like?
Would you like to do some?
Would you like to do some? Pink.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. If he asked, we just said, well, a chef did it. If you painted the back, he'd be furious down there. Now look what's happened. The whole town is turned out to paint Richard Hammond's bike pink. James and I are doing everything possible to stop them. Please don't do this.
I've given up trying to tell them. And you missed a bit there that you mustn't do as well.
You can't just go...
Hang on, has he painted her own bike?
No, it isn't hers.
It's not...
No. What's happened is she's got hold of this big paint and decided everything in the entire car park needs painting.